Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean the wheels on MOVA Z60 Ultra. In order to clean the wheels, you will need to take the robot out of the station. I recommend turning it off and flipping it over. Then there are actually 4 wheels. One of them is not visible now. This is the wheel on the back. All you may need to do here is, if there's some hair stuck to it, you may want to cut them. There's also a way to take it out with like a screwdriver if you pop it out. There's this omnidirectional wheel, which also you should just, if there's any hair stuck to it, you should cut it with knife or scissors to remove it, and then you can also clean it with a brush because it does get dirty since it comes on the dusty floor before the brushes, so it goes on like unclean floor. Then these wheels also will get a little dirty. If there is some hair, remove it. But basically you can use a brush soaked in water and gently remove some debris. Then let it dry before you use the robot so the wheels aren't slippery. And I recommend letting it dry like with the robot placed upside down so it has good airflow. And once it dries for a few hours, you can put the robot back in its station, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.